Welcome to another short video of end-time disasters happening around the world on March 2024.
Four people were killed and several were missing in France due to Storm Monica. An orange alert level has been declared in 10 departments of France.
Take this opportunity as a calling from God. It's a high time to seek God before it's too late. Days of Noah has come now, and we must seek the end-time ark in order to be protected and be saved by God. When disasters fall upon us, our money, fame, power, status, or how successful or whatever our achievements are, nothing can save us from God's wrath.